Alrighty guys, what's up? So the time has finally come. Well, welcome to the channel if you're new here. I'm Jacob. I have a 2019 Dodge Charger RT and I love it, but the time has finally come to where we start adding performance. I just went and bought the loot. We got the loot. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so far I've only done a resonator delete, the stars in my ceiling, rims and tires, subwoofer, hood wrap, pretty much just aesthetics, and then the mid muffler delete for sound. So I finally moved past most of the aesthetic things I want to do, and today we're installing my K&N cold air intake. Then we're going to take the car for a spin and see if we feel any differences, hear the noise of the intake, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get it installed. Maybe I'll do a montage, maybe not. But yeah, if you guys are excited about the build for the car and the performance mods that are going to be coming along, subscribe to the channel, watch the car grow, and watch the channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back in the next clip. All right, so I had a few friends come over. We went ahead and got it installed. So disclaimer, although K&N says that this intake fits, it doesn't quite fit exactly right, but we got it to where it works. So we'll see how this goes. We're gonna take it for a little test drive. I'm a little nervous about it, but this is how it looks. Let's go ahead and get a sound clip. Hopefully you guys could hear that. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's take it on a drive, see how it goes. All right, so let's do a pull. I'm gonna try just a little from a dig real quick, like so. Everyone, so this is me from the future. I'm editing. I realized that this video wasn't very long, but and I didn't go into detail about what I thought about the intake actually. So in my opinion, it's a great supporting mod, and once I get it tuned, we're gonna see what kind of power I feel the intake makes, and the tune is what's coming next. But yeah, back to the video. So a little 5.8 second 0 to 60, which honestly isn't bad. I mean, we did spin a lot, so if we get it to hook up, that wouldn't be too bad. But okay, so my final thoughts and opinions on adding the cold air intake to my Charger. I would say I don't notice too much of a difference at the moment. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. No real difference in like power or anything, not that I feel or anything crazy. I didn't expect it, just hopefully it can be a supporting mod for things I do down the line. But on that note, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this video. But if you guys want to keep up with the build, just be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna have a lot more performance mods coming really soon. I'm not gonna get into specifically what I'm doing with the build, but just know I have a crazy idea coming. So if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, I would be very appreciative. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day or night or evening or whatever time you're in watching this. Thank you.